नमस्ते, यहाँहरूलाई स्वागत छ मेरो च्यानलमा। आज चाहिँ मैले बेसिक साइन्सको क्वेसनहरू लिएर आएको छु र बिएनएसको इन्ट्रान्स एक्जाममा चाहिँ बेसिक साइन्सको चाहिँ 30 क्वेसनहरू आउँछ र यसमा चाहिँ मैले फार्माकोलोजी, माइक्रोबायोलोजी र बायोकेमिस्ट्रीको चाहिँ 20 क्वेसनहरू चाहिँ राखेको छु। आशा गर्छु तपाईहरुलाई केही मात्रामा चाहिँ यो हेल्पफुल हुन्छ भनेर। पोटासियम स्पेरिङ डायरेटिक्स have the primary effect upon the found in the kidney, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, collecting duct, distal convoluted tubule. र यसको राइट आन्सर छ डी, distal convoluted tubule. Which of the following drugs is associated with the reaction of extreme photosensitivity? Digitalis, niacin, tetracycline, fluoroquinolones. र यसको राइट आन्सर छ सी, tetracycline. A drug ending in the suffix nasal is considered a H2 antagonist, SCE inhibitor, antifungal, beta antagonist. यसको राइट आन्सर छ सी, antifungal. The study of absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of drugs is pharmacology, pharmacodynamics, pharmacokinetics, pharmacy. र यसको राइट आन्सर छ बी, pharmacodynamics. The substances produced by or derived from living organisms that are used to kill bacteria or prevent their multiplication is called antibiotics, antidotes, hormone, enzyme. र यसको राइट आन्सर छ ए, antibiotics. Drugs are excreted from the body through kidney, breast milk, saliva, sweat, intestine, all of the above. And the right answer is D, all of the above. The rate of the absorption of a drug is affected by route of drug administration, solubility of the drug, site of administration, all of the above. So, the right answer is D, all of the above. Nitroglycerin is administered by which route? By sublingual, by inhalation, by parenteral route, by insertion. यसको राइट आन्सर छ ए, by sublingual. Drugs used to relieve pain are antipyretic, analgesic, antibiotics, antacid. And the right answer is B, analgesic. Which vitamin is also known as anti-sterility vitamin? Vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin A. यसको राइट आन्सर छ बी, vitamin E. In following, which is the advantage of intravenous drug administration? Useful in emergency conditions, large volume of solution can be administered, very rapid response of drug, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Which of the following is not the part of syringe? Barrel, plunger or piston, shaft, none of the above. And the correct answer is C, shaft. 1 pint is equal to 500 ml, 250 ml, 100 ml, 150 ml. र यसको करेक्ट आन्सर छ 500 ml. Meaning of abbreviation start is alternate days, at once or immediately, at night, repeat. And the correct answer is B, at once or immediately. Maximum amount of a drug can be given through IM is 5 ml, 2 ml, 10 ml, 1 ml. And the correct answer is A, 5 ml. What is incorrect about tramadol? It is a synthetic opioid. It is naturally occurring opium alkaloid. It is an effective analgesic. It is used in acute and chronic pain. And the correct answer is B, it is naturally occurring opium alkaloid. Which penicillin is effective both orally and parenterally? Amoxicillin, cloxacillin, ampicillin, ofloxacin. Let's go. Correct answer is A, amoxicillin. Which of the following is the antidote for the toxin benzodiazepine? flumazenil, methylene blue, defegroxamine, atropine. The correct answers are A. Flumazenil. Which of the following is the primary site of activity for the drug warfarin? Kidney, liver, blood, heart. And the right answer is B. Liver. A drug ending in the suffix tidine is considered an antidepressant, protease inhibitor, beta antagonist, S2 antagonist. And the correct answer is D. S2 antagonist. Which of the following are obtained from fruits, vegetables and cereals? Monosaccharides, sucrose, cellulose, starch. And the correct answer is A. Monosaccharide. Which of the following is not included in fat-soluble vitamins? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B. And the right answer is D. Vitamin B. How many amino acids are synthesized by our bodies? 10, 20, 30, 40. And the correct answer is A. 10. Vitamin B is necessary for eyes and skin, energy production in cells, healing wounds and preventing colds, bones and teeth. And the correct answer is B. Energy production in cells. Cellulose is obtained from animals, microorganisms, plants, bacteria. And the correct answer is C. Plants. The key to the ability of DNA to pass and store genetic information is its hydrogen bonding, double-stranded structure, deoxyribose sugar, nitrogen base. And the correct answer is B. Double-stranded structure. In what form is glucose stored in animal muscles and liver cells? Glucagon, vitamins, glycogen, starch. And the correct answer is glycogen. Which of the following is true about DNA? It is present in cell nucleus. It has single strand. It has ribose sugar. It is synthesized by RNA. And the right answer is A. It is present in cell nucleus. Which of the following protects our heart and kidney from injury? Skin, muscles, lubricants, fat. And the correct answer is D. Fat. So specific organic compounds which are required by our bodies to prevent specific diseases but cannot be produced by our bodies are called hydrocarbons, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins. And the correct answer is D. Vitamins. Existence of RNA is in the form of single strand, double strand, triple strand, 4 strands. Correct answer is A. Single strand. The amino acids which are not synthesized by the human body are called essential amino acids, non-essential amino acids, simple amino acids, complex amino acids. The correct answer is B. Non-essential amino acids. Proteins that catalyze specific biological interactions without which life would be impossible are called gelatin, enzymes, amylase, lactase. The correct answer is B. Enzymes. By the help of fermentation, starch is converted to rectified spirit, dextrine, cellulose, sucrose. The correct answer is A. Rectified spirit. The sarcoplasmic reticulum in muscle cell act as a store of digestive enzyme, store of lipid, store of calcium ions, store of sodium ions. The correct answer is C. Store of calcium ions. Metabolism is determined by the ability of amino acid size of proteins in the cell. Proteins formed as dictated by the genetic material, protein composition of the DNA. correct answer is C. Proteins formed as dictated by the genetic material, which is found in obstructive jaundice. High serum conjugated bilirubin, increased serum haptoglobin, low serum unconjugated bilirubin. And the right answer is B. High serum conjugated bilirubin. Which of the following electrolyte changes are commonly associated with chronic renal failure? Low sodium, low potassium, high sodium, high potassium, low sodium, high potassium, high sodium, low potassium. And the correct answer is C. Low sodium, high potassium. Which of the following does not produce hyperglycemia? Decreased insulin secretion, increased carbohydrate intake, increased peripheral glucose uptake, increased ketogenesis. The correct answer is D. Increased ketogenesis. What is the acid-base disorder commonly associated with renal failure? Metabolic acidosis, metabolic alkalosis, high PCO2, high PS, low PCO2, high SCO3. And the answer is A. Metabolic acidosis. Which of the following is an example of live vaccine? Pertussis, mumps, cholera, rabies. And the correct answer is C. Cholera. Higher dose of chloramphenicol affects the eukaryotic cells because they have 30S ribosomes, they have mitochondria, they have 70S ribosomes, none of the above. And the correct answer is B. They have mitochondria. Penicillin is a primary metabolite, secondary metabolite, tertiary metabolite, none of the above. And the correct answer is B. Secondary metabolite. The rejection of an organ transplant such as a kidney transplant is an example of hypersensitivity, immediate, delayed, allergy, none of these. The correct answer is immediate hypersensitivity. In ELISA technique, the antibodies are labeled by acridine organs, alkaline phosphate, neutral red, bromothymol blue. The correct answer is B. Alkaline phosphate. The suitable assay method for antibiotics is enzymatic assay, turbidometric assay, in-point determination assay, metabolic assay. The correct answer is C. In-point determination assay. ELISA test is used for the identification of jaundice, AIDS, cancer, diabetes. And the correct answer is B. AIDS. Kinetosomes are observed in algae, fungi, protozoa, viruses. The correct answer is C. Protozoa. Septicemia is bacteria in blood, toxin in blood, pus in blood, multiplication of bacteria and toxins in blood. The correct answer is D. Multiplication of bacteria and toxins in the blood. Ciprofloxacin acts by inhibiting cell wall synthesis, RNA synthesis, folate synthesis, DNA gyrase. And the correct answer is D. DNA gyrase. Montauk test detects Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Cyanobacteria, Clostridia, both A and B. The correct answer is A. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The antibiotic acting on cell wall is bactrim, penicillin, cyclosporin, all of these. The correct answer is D. All of the above. The drug of choice in anaphylactic shock is histamine, corticosteroid, epinephrine, none of these. And the answer is C. Epinephrine. E. coli produces the following toxins: enterotoxins, endotoxins, verocytotoxins, hemolysins. The correct answer is B. Endotoxins. Causative organism of diphtheria was first demonstrated by Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, Klebs and Loeffler, Bollard and Farr. And the correct answer is C. Klebs and Loeffler. Dose of BCG vaccine is 0.2 to 0.5 ml, 0.1 ml, 0.05 ml, 0.2 to 0.3 ml. The correct answer is B. 0.1 ml. Influenza virus contains 8 segments of RNA, 2 strands of RNA, single RNA, none of these. The correct answer is B. 2 strands of RNA. Rabies virus can multiply in the central nervous system only, the peripheral nerves, muscle tissues, all of the above. The correct answer is D. All the above. The first symptom of tetanus is lockjaw, trismus, anorexia, dysphagia. The correct answer is B. Trismus. Specific test for syphilis is BDRL test, ELISA, FTA, none of these. The correct answer is A. BDRL test. यसमा चाहिँ मैले 20 क्वेसनहरु राखेको छु. नेक्स्ट टाइम अझै बढी राख्ने कोसिस गर्नेछु. यदि तपाई मेरो च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने प्लिज सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला. त्यसैगरी यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न नभुल्नु होला. धन्यवाद.